Good evening. This is All India Radio. I am Valsa Williams with the news at 9. The headlines. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi disqualified from Lok Sabha after conviction and criminal defamation case. Stalemate in Parliament continues for 9th day in a row over several issues. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India working to eradicate tuberculosis by 2025. G20 Research and Innovation Initiative meet in Dibrugarh calls for resource-efficient and sustainable circular bioeconomy. India's Rudrankksh Balasaheb Patil wins bronze medal in 10-meter air rifle event of ISSF World Cup Shooting Championship in Bhopal. And in Women's Premier League cricket, eliminator match between Mumbai Indians and UP Warriorz underway in Navi Mumbai. Winner to take on Delhi Capitals in the finals on Sunday. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has been disqualified from the membership of the Lok Sabha a day after a court in Gujarat convicted him in a criminal defamation case. According to the notification issued by the Lok Sabha Secretariat today, Mr. Gandhi stands disqualified from the lower house from the date of his conviction, that is the 23rd of this month. The notification states that the decision has been taken consequent upon Mr. Gandhi's conviction by the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate at Surat in Gujarat. The court yesterday sentenced the Congress leader to 2 years in jail in connection with the 2019 criminal defamation case filed against him over his Modi surname remarks. The court, however, granted bail to Mr. Gandhi and suspended the sentence for 30 days to allow him to appeal in a higher court. Rahul Gandhi was elected to the Lok Sabha from the Wayanad parliamentary constituency of Kerala. As per Section 8(3) of the Representation of the People Act 1951, an MP or MLA convicted of any offence and sentenced to imprisonment for not less than 2 years shall be disqualified from the date of conviction. Previous to Rahul Gandhi, lawmakers who have been disqualified after conviction from court include Lok Sabha MP from Lakshadweep Mohammad Faisal, Uttar Pradesh MLA Azam Khan, AIADMK Supremo and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister late J. Jayalalitha, and Rashtriya Janata Dal Chief and former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav. The BJP today hit out at Congress leader Rahul Gandhi over his conviction by a Surat court, saying that the verdict reflects that no one is above the law. The party said as per the law, the conviction leads to disqualification from Parliament membership. Briefing media, senior BJP leader and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan questioned whether the Congress party was serious about Rahul Gandhi's membership. He said the Congress party had approached court in Pawan Khera's case within hours of action, but not in the case of Mr. Gandhi. Mr. Pradhan said the conspiracy within the Congress might have played a role in its leaders not approaching a higher court for relief for Rahul Gandhi after his conviction. Senior BJP leader and Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur said the Supreme Court verdict states that parliamentary membership is annulled with conviction, and the Lok Sabha Speaker only confirmed the legal position today.
जहां तक सदस्यता जाने की बात है, ये लिली थॉमस केस में बहुत स्पष्ट है जी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट के बाद कि 2 साल का दंड हुआ और दोष सिद्धि के बाद अगर उसके ऊपर रोक नहीं लगी तो आप सस्पेंड माने ही जाते हो। इसकी तो पुष्टि करने का काम ही केवल लोकसभा में होना था। And the Lok Sabha Speaker has only confirmed the legal position. He is not required to take any decision or pass any speaking order.
Reacting to the disqualification, Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi expressed confidence that they would get a stay on the conviction, which would remove the very basis of disqualification. Briefing media in New Delhi today, Mr. Singhvi said disqualification from Parliament must be preceded by an election commission nod.
Though the conviction is by a court in Rahul Gandhi's case, the disqualification under Article 103 of the Constitution has to be by the President of India. And under 103, the President of India has to first, before disqualifying Sri Rahul Gandhi, take an opinion, a recommendation from the Election Commission. Admittedly, it is not done.
The stalemate continued in both houses of Parliament for the 9th consecutive day today on the issues of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's remarks on Indian democracy and the Joint Parliamentary Committee probe into the Adani Group matter. The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha were adjourned for the day. In the Lok Sabha, when the House met after the first adjournment at 12 noon, the Finance Bill 2023 was passed by voice vote amid the din. As the ruckus continued, the presiding officer adjourned the House till Monday. In the Rajya Sabha, the scenes were no different. Expressing concern over the logjam in the House, Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar urged the parliamentarians to introspect, as this House is meant for discussing issues of national importance. Later, the chairman adjourned the House to meet on Monday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said India is now working on eradicating tuberculosis by 2025, 5 years ahead of the global target of 2030. Mr. Modi was addressing the One World TB Summit at his parliamentary constituency Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh on the occasion of World Tuberculosis Day. He also launched various initiatives, including the TB Mukt Panchayat, the official pan-India rollout of a shorter TB preventive treatment, the family-centric care model for TB, and the release of India's annual TB report 2023.
इस टीबी मुक्त पंचायत में हर गांव के चुने हुए जनप्रतिनिधि मिलकर के संकल्प करेंगे कि अब हमारे गांव में एक भी टीबी का मरीज नहीं रहेगा, उनको हम स्वस्थ करके रहेंगे। हम टीबी की रोकथाम के लिए 6 महीने के कोर्स की जगह केवल 3 महीने का ट्रीटमेंट भी शुरू कर रहे हैं। अब नई व्यवस्था में मरीज को हफ्ते में केवल 1 बार दवा लेनी होगी। टीबी मुक्त होने के लिए भारत टेक्नोलॉजी का भी ज्यादा से ज्यादा इस्तेमाल कर रहा है।
The Prime Minister also unveiled several development projects worth over 1,700 crore rupees in Varanasi. This is All India Radio giving you the news. For quick news updates round the clock, follow us on our Twitter handle at AIR News Alerts. All India Radio is presenting a vignette of select quotes of the Prime Minister from Mann Ki Baat as the program completes its 100th episode in April this year. Here is a report.
People, voice and direct dialogue. That's your and our Mann Ki Baat. Yes, this is how our Prime Minister connects with millions of countrymen. With the program Mann Ki Baat, aired on the last Sunday of every month on All India Radio. This series, which started on October 3rd, 2014, will complete its 100th episode in April 2023.
In this 20th episode, let's listen to those excerpts of Mann Ki Baat through which the Prime Minister spoke about promoting cashless transactions. In his tenure, Prime Minister Modi has created many success stories, and one of them is our country's rapid strides towards a cashless society. We can see its effect all around today. Going by the statistics of the year 2021-22, the country saw more than 5,500 crore cashless transactions, which is 5.5 times more than what one saw in the year 2016-17. Prime Minister Modi, in the Mann Ki Baat episode broadcast on 22nd May 2016, appealed to the people to go for cashless transactions in this way.
पूरी दुनिया कैशलेस सोसाइटी की तरफ आगे बढ़ रही है। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टेक्नोलॉजिकल व्यवस्था के द्वारा हम रुपये पा भी सकते हैं, रुपये दे भी सकते हैं, चीज खरीद भी सकते हैं, बिल चुकता भी कर सकते हैं, और इससे जेब में से कभी बटुए की चोरी होने का तो सवाल ही नहीं उठेगा। हिसाब रखने की भी चिंता नहीं रहेगी, ऑटोमेटिक हिसाब रहेगा। शुरुआत थोड़ी कठिन लगेगी, लेकिन एक बार आदत लगेगी तो ये व्यवस्था सरल हो जाएगी।
Moving on, the G20 Research and Innovation Initiative Gathering Conference under India's presidency concluded at Dibrugarh in Assam today. The meeting deliberated on ways towards building a sustainable and circular bioeconomy. Speaking at the event, Secretary in Department of Science and Technology, Dr. S. Chandrasekhar, said at the meeting, participating countries deliberated to aspire for a net zero country and to create a circular bioeconomy that is resource efficient and sustainable. 103 delegates from G20 member countries, 9 guest countries and international organizations, along with invited participants from the scientific community, attended the conference today. The government today reiterated that it will take all necessary measures to bring back televangelist Zakir Naik and have him face justice in India. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Arindam Bagchi was replying to a query during a media briefing in New Delhi.
Zakir Naik is an accused in numerous cases in India. He is a fugitive from justice. We have taken up the matter with the government of Oman, with Omani authorities, and we will continue to take all necessary measures to bring him to face justice in India.
Zakir Naik fled India in 2016 amid charges against him of spreading hatred and money laundering. India today said it would like to see action against those who attacked the Indian consulate in San Francisco and the Indian mission in London, more than just assurance. Briefing media in New Delhi, External Affairs Ministry spokesperson said India had strongly taken up the vandalization incidents with the US and UK governments. Mr. Bagchi said they expect host governments to take action to identify and prosecute all those involved and also take necessary measures to prevent the recurrence of such incidents. Ruling BJP MLA Vishwabandhu Sen was elected the Speaker of the Tripura Assembly in Agartala today. He defeated rival candidate Gopal Chandra Roy of the Congress. Sen secured 32 votes while Roy bagged 14 votes. The Tripura Motha Party, TMP, which has 13 members in the Assembly, abstained from voting by staging a walkout just before the starting of the Speaker's election, which reduced the strength of the 59-member House to 46. TMP MLA Animesh Dev Barma was announced as the leader of the opposition in the House, as the party has the second highest number of legislators. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will attend the 84th annual Raising Day celebrations of CRPF at Bastar Division of Chhattisgarh tomorrow. The event will be held at the Central Reserve Police Force CRPF campus, located at Karanpur, the headquarters of the Maoist-affected Bastar Division near Jagdalpur. Besides reviewing the ceremonial parade, the Home Minister will hand over gallantry medals to the force personnel. Talking to media, CRPF Director General Sujoy Lal Thausen said during his stay in Bastar, the Union Home Minister will visit the CRPF camp and interact with the security forces as well as have a meal with them.
हमारे 84th रेजिंग डे के उपलक्ष्य में माननीय गृह एवं सहकारिता मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी पधारेंगे। उनके यहाँ पधारने से एक बहुत सकारात्मक मैसेज हमारे फोर्सेस को जाते हैं। हम लोग काफी उत्साहित हैं कि इतने सुदूर जो क्षेत्र है वहाँ आकर हमारे साथ समय बिताएंगे, कैंप में भ्रमण कर जाएंगे, हमारे जो जवानों के साथ में भोजन करेंगे, उनके साथ संवाद करेंगे।
On the occasion, the Union Minister will also virtually launch the weekly news bulletin to be broadcast by All India Radio in the Harbi dialect. The weekly bulletin of 15 minutes duration will be broadcast from All India Radio Jagdalpur Kendra every Sunday at 7:30 a.m. Key domestic benchmark indices closed with losses of more than 0.5%. The Sensex declined 398 points to end around 57,527. The Nifty fell 132 points to settle at the 16,945 mark. India's Rudrankksh Balasaheb Patil won a bronze medal in the 10-meter air rifle event at the ongoing ISSF World Cup Shooting Championship in Bhopal. This is Rudrankksh's second bronze medal in the World Cup. With this, India finished second in the medals tally with a total of 5 medals, including 1 gold, 1 silver and 3 bronze. China is still at the top with a total of 8 medals. In Women's Premier League cricket, the eliminator match between Mumbai Indians and UP Warriors is underway at DY Patil Stadium in Navi Mumbai. Put into bat, Mumbai Indians posted 182 for 4 in the stipulated 20 overs. The winner of this match will face Delhi Capitals in the final of the tournament at Bhopal Stadium in Mumbai on Sunday. The Harmanpreet Kaur-led Mumbai Indians won the same number of matches as Delhi Capitals but failed to make it to the final directly from the league stage due to a lower net run rate. And now, before we end the bulletin, the headlines once again. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi disqualified from Lok Sabha after conviction in criminal defamation case. Stalemate in Parliament continues for 9th day in a row over several issues. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India working to eradicate tuberculosis by 2025. G20 Research and Innovation Initiative meet in Dibrugarh calls for resource-efficient and sustainable circular bioeconomy. India's Rudrankksh Balasaheb Patil wins bronze medal in 10-meter air rifle event of ISSF World Cup Shooting Championship in Bhopal. And in Women's Premier League cricket, eliminator match between Mumbai Indians and UP Warriorz underway in Navi Mumbai, winner to take on Delhi Capitals in the finals on Sunday. That is all in the news at 9. Good night.